Following message is transmitted by request of the governor of the state of Wisconsin. This is an update to the current situation. The group that was responsible for the restaurant robberies and killings and the home invasions throughout Waukesha and Milwaukee counties are now robbing and starting shootings in restaurants and invading homes in the following areas: Ozaukee County, Washington County, Racine County, Walworth County, and Kenosha County. It is still unknown why this is happening. The death toll is about 277 people confirmed dead. All residents are advised to lock all doors and windows. Do not answer your door for anyone. If you have access to a weapon, be prepared in case of an intrusion. If you see these people in your area, call 911 immediately. These people are armed and dangerous. This is Channel 5, and we will continue to serve the Milwaukee area. If you are not in this area, please tune to a station covering news for your area. The emergency alert system has been activated.